All right, had a couple questions about how I keep my air dry. This is my air compressor. It's a Quincy 60-gallon air compressor. Originally, from the compressor, there was just this one line that went to the tank. The problem was the compressed air going through this line was about 300 degrees, and when it hit this cold ambient temperature tank, it condensed back into a liquid, and you get tons of moisture in your air, water in the bottom of your tank. So here's what I did. I cut this out, and I rerouted it from the compressor up over the top to this transmission cooler. The air flows through the transmission cooler. The original pulley has a fan on it for the air compressor that cools the transmission cooler. So as the air travels through here, it condenses back into a liquid. Then it travels down this copper line to a water separator, which will catch all your water. That's at the lowest point of the system. And then from there, it travels back up over and into the tank. So then from the tank, I got a 3-foot whip that goes to these two copper columns that I built. The idea behind that is any remaining moisture in the air as it travels up the column should condense and drip back down, and the bottom of each one has a ball valve. I'll crack those periodically just to make sure there's no moisture in there. From there, just travels to this, it's just a regular paper filter, and then it goes over to the plasma table. I'll bring you over there. All right, so the final step in the process is this desiccant filter. So this is air in, goes through that separator, and then it hits this desiccant filter. It stays pretty dry, but when it turns pink, I'll change it, and it makes a huge difference. And that kind of catches any remaining moisture in the air. Hope this helps.